Hello guys, welcome back my channel. NSCuber here. In this video, I teach to you how to make 5 easy to hardest pattern of this cube. I share 6 pattern of this cube, too easy, too hard, and too normal. Firstly, normally I say like this. This is a normal, not this is a easy. This is a very easiest pattern of this cube, and I teach how to make you make easily make 5 to 6 pattern in their cube. This is a Rubik's cube, you everybody know, and I teach how to make this. Firstly, you what is say firstly you start upper this middle layer like this, and now this side middle layer one move, and this again reverse move like this, and this again reverse like this. Sorry, this is my cube is broken cube, as two corner pieces are broken like this. Don't notice it. Like this is a very easiest pattern of this cube. This is a called dot pattern. How to make I teach again. Firstly, only you move centers middle layer, only move any middle layer like this, like this, like this, like this. You make dot pattern. This is a very easiest, ever easiest pattern. I teach next pattern, and this is a second pattern of this Rubik's cube. This is a called checkerboard. How to make again middle layer, to move upper middle layer, rotate, right rotation, and again to move middle layer, rotate 90 degree, again to move off middle layer. Now you watch, this is a called checkerboard pattern. How to rate it, please comment in comment section. And this is my first ever long video. If I every mistake to you, please say tell in comment box and suggest how to will I should next in video. This is a called checkerboard pattern. Again I learn like this. Firstly, you any middle layer move 2 times. I say this, or you, if your thought I say I move there, you only should 180 degree move, rotate, again 90 degree rotate like this, and move middle layer. This is a called checkerboard pattern. You make easily 2 patterns of cube. Firstly, you make dot pattern like this. If you don't know how to make it, I again repeat 1, 2, 3, and 4 like this. And second move, my means second pattern is called checkerboard pattern like this. Move 2 of middle layer and 180 degree rotation. Now again then 90 degree rotate the middle layer up to 2 times. Now you watching how to make I2 easiest two easiest pattern of Rubik's cube. Now I teach how to make you medium level. I say कि three level are in this video. First is the easiest in two pattern. First one is dot pattern and second is checkerboard pattern. And second method is medium level pattern. There are two types. And third, this is the hardest pattern I teach to you. Then continue to start. This is stage of medium level, and this is a very interesting pattern of this cube. This is called super flip pattern. In this pattern, the edges are flipped like this, orange to blue, blue to orange, but corner piece are same position. And this is a very easy to make, but this is a lengthy, almost someone. This is a we are start only move two moves in this pattern. This is middle layer, this first one time, and this upper layer first time multiply four time. This is called one. How to make middle layer, upper layer four time. One, two, three, four. Okay, and this is 280 degree, 270 degree rotate. How to? This is 180 degree rotation, and this is a 90 degree rotation. Now again we are start like this. Move four time. One, two, three, four. Again. One, two, three, four. This is a super flip pattern. These corner are same position, but what is different? Difference is their edges are flipped like this. Red they in their position, but this is a green like this. This is a very interesting puzzle. If you don't learning how to I make it, I teach again. Now I teach again this how to make this super flip pattern. Firstly you move middle layer one time and upper layer one time, and there multiply four times. This is one time, two times, three times, four times, and this is a rotate 180 degree, like you say 90 degree if the 90 degree end like this, not this, like this. We are straight 90, 180, and move again middle and upper layer one time, two times, three times, four times. 90 degree, 180 degree total, 270 degree rotate. Again we are try this method one time, two time, three time, four time. Then you watching how to make super flip pattern. This is called very interesting pattern of this world because they're very beautiful, like all corner piece are their position, but every, not one, not some, every edges are in the same position, flip position. Sorry, this is a flip position like this. Now I teach to you second pattern of medium level, we are learning three pattern. First is dot pattern, second is checkerboard pattern, third is super flip pattern, and fourth I now teach you how to make it. Now we are starting second method, second pattern of medium level. This is a call. This is a call plus method. Normally we are say plus pattern. This is not is actually name. How to make it? Firstly, I when I rotate this cube and when I move this cube, now you continually move same time with me. Firstly, you move two layer of their cube. This is a R. You know this is a right layer of this cube. Move two times. You move two times, and this L. This is a left move. Now D, F, double F, R dash. Now you say this is a make checkerboard pattern. This is not a checkerboard pattern. This is a plus cross pattern. Like cross, everywhere cross. And I know you. Everybody know about how to make this. Everybody not know how to make it. Again, learn in this video. Someone this is a algorithm. This solve this make pattern from algorithm, and I uh, learning. I teach how to make this pattern with learning. I mean how to make this pattern with algorithms. And I also say my English is very weak. If don't I wrong sentence and wrong pronunciation, so sorry guys. I learning better. I teach better. Firstly, I teach. This is a called right layer. If you don't know, I teach. If you know, then this part is will be you skip. This is R layer called R. This is a right layer. This is a upper layer. Upper layer. If rotate and move, continue clockwise. This is U. Upper layer short name is U. If I should anti-clockwise, this called U dash. This is U. This is a U dash. This is R. This is a R dash. This is a L. Left layer. This is a L. This is a L dash. This is a D dash. This is a D. This is a B. Back layer. Back. This is a very rare movement use of back layer. But now this is a B, and this is a B dash. This is a F dash. This is a M, middle layer. You everybody know. Now will be start. Firstly, this is a cube. I again teach how to make. Firstly, this is a R2 L dash D, F, F2, R dash, D dash, R dash, L, U dash, B, D, R, D, B dash, B dash, R dash, U, D, D, and you know what you did. This is a called checkerboard pattern, and I know you very difficult how to make it. This is a very interesting cube. This is a very interesting pattern. Algorithm like upper layer. If you like this pattern, please like, share, and comment in this video. This is my first ever long video. If any doubt, any wrong side of this video, please comment and please rating 1 to 5, 1 to 10 rate. Also rate you my video. Then I energy and I this is a motivate to make another video of you for you. Now we are should hardest level of patterns. We are make four pattern. First is dot pattern, second is checkerboard pattern. They are part of easiest level. Then we are start medium level. There should we try two patterns. This is a super flip pattern and this is a cross pattern, cross unique pattern in etc. Now we are turning hardest level. There are we learning teaching two types of pattern. Their cube. First is cube in a cube in a cube pattern, like their cube in a cube pattern, and second is snake pattern. Snake pattern. Now we are start. Now we are getting learning how to make hardest level of cube pattern of cube. First is cube in a cube in a cube pattern, like this. Algorithm in upper layer. This is F L F U dash R U F F2 L L2 U dash L dash B D B dash L2 and U. Now you also see what is this. This is a cube in a cube in a cube pattern. If you don't know how to make it, you please repeat this video, this step how to make. And algorithm in a this is not method, any method to easy to make. This is a very easiest method of this making pattern of this cube in a cube in a cube pattern. Another is a very long method. If you try, please repeat. If not learning, again repeat. After 2 times you make this pattern, you are expert in this pattern. Now we are rating this pattern, and now we are start last pattern. This is the hardest step 2, how to make snake pattern. Now we are start. Now this is the last pattern of the cube. We are learning 6 pattern of this cube. First is dot pattern. This is a part of easiest method, easiest. Second is checkerboard pattern. There is also easy in part of easy. We are starting medium level. This is learning two pattern of cube. First is super flip and second is cross pattern. We are into in hardest level. First is cube in a cube pattern and second we are learning how to make snake pattern of their cube. I again their algorithm in upper, and now we start how to make. Firstly, F2 F2 R B U R dash L F dash L F dash B D dash R B L L, and now you see this is a called snake pattern. This is like this snake. What you rating this? This is not the hardest, but this is unique and not too easy to make this cube pattern. And if you don't know how to make it, please repeat this video because this is a very easiest pattern, and I teach 6 pattern of their cube. First is third pattern, second is checkerboard pattern, third is super flip pattern, and super third is super flip pattern, and fourth is cross pattern, fifth is cube in a cube pattern, and sixth snake pattern. How many do you like and how many you teach? Please comment in comment section. And how many rating of my video? Please comment in my video. This is my first ever long video. Please rating. And what I should now you everybody know, please like, share, comment in this video. Thanks for watching. NS Cuber. Okay, bye guys. Take care.